just broke my glasses. Too close to focus. Got the barthane. Hopefully I don't get dust on the camera here. It looks like it's going right on the camera. Spray the wood next. Alright. Hopefully the white balance is good. And hopefully it don't get on the camera, because I don't have a ND on there. I guess I'm just gonna have to do these little quick pops. I chose like the windiest day of all time to do this project. Well, let's see if I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. See how it's just really blotchy looking? Got that Bass Pro Shops finish, looking like a slab of meat now. And it's so clumped up right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. It's terrible. I might as well just cut to the chase and wipe that with some acetone. It is what it is, man. So the Varathane poly in a can, I don't like it. Nothing beats lacquer, but this is for outdoors, so I need the UV protection. That's why I caved and went with the poly. But anyways, I'm gonna work on some things. The metal frame is looking decent. The finish on that's looking alright. I can dig it. Got a couple specks in it here and there, but no big deal. There's a good speck right there. It's like the dust particles are just attracted to it as soon as you spray. So I'm not too happy about that speck right there. The uppers came out decent. I'm manually focusing, guys, I'm sorry. My autofocus lens is a 50mm, and if you, I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna be looking like it's too close all the time because this is a 35 right here. Well, I guess I was at 70 like that, 70, 35, 70. But at least it's sprayed. I mean, one thing down. I'm gonna go work on the table next, get that set up. I might record it, but I'm not sure yet. Yeah, there's a wood over there. I'm like holding the tripod, trying to record this. I wish I could be my own camera guy. I am, but you know what I mean? Like, as I'm doing things, I wish I could just, because I feel like I know where it needs to be, but when I'm working on stuff, it's always changing. And, anyways, go back in the shop. Broke my glasses, just super glued them. Fell, they broke, so I super glued them with that Harbor Freight super. Anyways, those are the projects right there. I still got to clear coat that. We'll probably do the wipe on poly, and then I got poly and stain for this tabletop over here, so I got to get that flipped over and work on that.